Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, today we are doing a 3D printed Beyblade battle. So we are using Ultimate Valkyrie, and he's going up against the Bay that was inspired by Ultimate Valkyrie. Smite, to be specific, Forge Smite. So, yeah, Forge will have a bit less stamina than Ultimate. At least I think he will, because he's using a weaker launcher. But, yeah, first 7 points, let's get this started. Both bays are fairly aggressive, aside from Ultimate. I don't know why he's acting like that. Both have a generally similar shape. Yeah. Oh, 1-0. Wow, that damage just got dealt to... Okay, that's scary. Yeah, so I gotta reprint Forge's layer for quite obvious reasons. Calm down. 2-0. Quite obvious reasons. And yeah, I'm actually using a blue filament now, so that is interesting. Focus camera. Sorry about that, guys. Interesting. That was a snipe. We ain't counting that. Ultimate, you know better. Although Ultimate did almost burst. So, I mean, hey, Smite could have had that one. You never know. But, yeah, both have a generally similar shape, although Smite is a different style of aggression than Ultimate. Oh my god! 2-1. So that actually scared me really bad. And yeah, dang it, Ultimate almost bursted again. It's gonna be closer than I thought. Jesus Christ! I'm gonna count that one because both bays obviously touched the floor. So that score is 2-2. Freaking Ultimate's going out of control though. Like, calm down. You think I'm gonna count that? You think I'm gonna count that? I ain't counting none of that. For Christ. Hold on. Look at that! So stupid. I really need to reprint his layer key smites. Let's keep trying this. Jeez! Oh, 4-2. Is Smite taking rubber chunks out of Valkyrie? He is. Oh my god. Smite put a gash in Valkyrie's rubber. I think that's 4-2. I think so. I don't know. I'm pretty sure it is. Don't quote me on that one. Okay, so, even though Smite's broken at the moment in time and is getting more and more broken, Jesus, he's still maintaining. Where the... Whoa, whoa. Chill. Calm down, calm down. Where did that go? Okay. It bounced around my room. I kid you not, guys. I actually had to look up to see it. Whoa. Calm down. Jesus Christ. These are the biggest hits I've seen, I think, ever. And I'll go ahead and say ever, considering and Calgon comes in second place against Longinus. Oh my god. 4-3. Yeah, because that little snip of a shot does something. Come on. Jesus Christ! to 3. And we all know a refreshed Smite performs better than a damaged one. So if Smite's doing this well, how well do you think he'd be doing if he were fixed up? You know? Valkyrie Echo Dawson? I'm not gonna count that. Kidding me? That was stupid. That was stupider than stupid. That was dumb. That was straight stupid. Meh. Just gotta... Oh my god. Ah! Smack the freak out of my ring. Did not feel nice at all. So we're gonna launch Smite first this time because stamina and control purposes. Jesus Christ. Wow. Come on, don't be stupid. Valkyrie, this is your stadium. Smite's better in the Starstorm. Do you really want to give him that? I'm counting that one, definitely. A knockout influenced by Valkyrie caused by Smite. We're gonna keep going, but this is getting bad. Smite's really damaged. I'm gonna go ahead and reprint him afterwards. So I'm gonna score 6 to 3. All Smite needs is 1 point and he can end this. Jesus! Come on! Well, I'm gonna give that to Valkyrie. 4 to 6. Come on, Smite. You have the power to end this right here and now. Do it. Do it now. Oh my god. 5 to 6. Come on, Smite. You're damaged, but I know you can do this. Just 1 measly point! Yes! 6 to 5. No, 7 to 5. What am I talking about? 7 to 5. Oh, that one hurt Smite so bad. Ultimate Valkyrie did a number on him. Look at this. He started the battle with just 1 dent, and now look where he is. I'm surprised his teeth didn't break. It's broken all the way across the top. Punctured a hole. This one blade's the only blade that didn't take too much damage, and even then. Dude, Valkyrie, you're vicious! Well, Smite wins. That was insane. Some of the most major contacts I've ever seen. Even rivaling in Calgon's contacts with Longinus. And, yeah. Definitely a good bay. Ultimate Valkyrie, that is. No one has access to Forge yet. Well, that's a lie. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video, though I will be reprinting Forge's layer key because this thing is just destroyed. Valkyrie just did not want it. I hope you all enjoyed this video, though. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.